Today, I'll be showing you an interesting calculus problem. To be particularly, a very nice limits problem. It includes a factorial, power to the power n to the power n, and also power to the power of 1 by n, which makes this problem very mind-blowing and interesting. And I'll be showing you the solution to this. Let's get into it. So what we do before the solution is set this value. So this limit will have a value, either it diverges off to infinity or it has some fixed value. So whatever case, we set this limit to be equal to x. So natural log of x will equal limit n approaches infinity in natural log of n factorial divided by n to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. And you can simplify this using natural logarithmic rules and taking out the 1 by n, getting a 1 by n times natural log of, we write n factorial as 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times infinity, because n, or we can just write this as n, and all divided by n times n times n times n n. And using again logarithmic rules, we can write this as 1 by n times natural log of 1 by n plus natural log of 2 by n plus natural log of 3 by n natural log of n by n. Now since n approaches infinity, here in the question we just directly set it equal to, so 1 by n times summation n k equal to 1 of natural log of 1 by n. And now if you see this, I'll show it to you in proper form. This is, now our question becomes limit n approaches infinity in 1 by n times summation n k equal to 1 of natural log of k by n. And here you see this, and you remember your definition for integration. And here you see that this is equal to integration under the curve of 0 to 1 of natural log of x dx. We have the setup. We have the 1 by n in the front, and we have a f of k by n. Exactly what we need for a definition of integral. And this problem simplifies so much. So here what we do is, we use our integration by parts. We set the differentiation part to be natural log x, and we set the integration part to be 1. We calculate 1 by x from here and x from here, and we get x natural log x minus x in our integration, and we get limit of x natural log x minus x from 0 to 1, and we substitute the values getting. So here we get, when we put in 1, natural log of 1 becomes 0, so we get minus 1. And then 0, natural log of 0, although it is not defined, when multiplied by 0, it eventually becomes 0, so we don't care. So hence we get minus 1 here. And this is equal to natural log of x. We set this equal to x, and we took natural log of x on both sides. And this we got to be equal to natural log of x. Minus 1 is equal to natural log of x. And therefore we get x equal to e to the power minus 1, that is beautifully and elegantly 1 by e. What a beautiful solution. Hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful math problem and that beautiful 1 by e solution. And stay tuned for more mathematics. Bye.